the bat you see that the ZenFone 4 is a well-constructed cell phone. Its one-piece aluminum outline, and in addition flush Corning Gorilla Glass back and front, the back's smoothness notwithstanding being hindered by a projecting camera bezel, imply that the handset feels premium in the hand. It doesn't have a particular take-a-gander at first and, in all genuineness, you'd need to tell somebody what you were utilizing as a rule, as it doesn't shout take-a-gander at me. In any case, that isn't generally ASUS sack now, is it? When you get near, however, little touches end up plainly discernible, similar to the conveniently refractive backboard that splashes light around the halfway found ASUS logo, and these influence it to feel discreetly novel. The ZenFone 4 accompanies a 5.5-inch Full HD, 1920x1080 screen. This is without a doubt not particularly attractive on paper. In all actuality, however, it is a solid match for the telephone's Snapdragon 630 CPU and Adreno 508, as much else would have left the telephone underpowered at its center. This CPU/GPU matching is banded together with 4GB of RAM and a what now is by all accounts progressively standard 64GB of inside capacity. For a great many people that will more likely than not be sufficient. In any case, on the off chance that you do request all the more, then the ZenFone 4 caters to your necessities, with the microSD card opening taking cards up to 2 TB in measure. This equipment is squeezed by a non-removable 3300 mAh battery, with quick chargeability, which means then 50 for each penny charge can be accomplished 30 minutes. This meant shake strong battery life when on test, with us surely not hurrying to a charging point at regular intervals. This is the place the ZenFone 4 completely thumps it out of the recreation center and demonstrates, by and by, that enormous megapixel numbers don't a decent camera framework make. It's a double camera framework that conveys both a 12MP f1.8 gap 25mm central length primary camera, and additionally an optional 120-degree wide edge camera. The two cameras are HDR proficient and, on account of some extravagant tech, the previous can yield 48MP pictures by empowering super resolution mode. The two cameras have additionally been improved and refined for predominant low-light photography. ZenFone 4's camera framework additionally permits shooting in RAW, moderate movement, and even time slip by, while the handset can likewise catch UHD 4K video. By empowering the telephone's expert camera mode, the client additionally accesses a suite of, for a cell phone, helpful manual agents for the individuals who jump at the chance to tinker to get the ideal shot. On the off chance that the ZenFone 4's camera framework was the lead demonstration, at that point its incredible sound qualifications are certainly a commendable contender. The telephone comes furnished with high-resolution sound similarity, DT's Headphone X, and a pleasantly outlined and truly helpful bit of programming called Audio Wizard that lets you conveniently tune and change the music or discourse you are listening as well. With the loyalty of high determination sound and the volumetric sound space conveyed by DT's Headphone X, tuning into anything on the ZenFone 4 is a joy. Regarding programming, the genuine takeaway, aside from the previously mentioned Audio Wizard, is ASUS Selfie Master application. This application has been deliberately made to influence the most out of the telephone's amazing cameras and enables you to improve in different editions any selfies. We've seen this tech on a couple of telephones now. In any case, we enjoyed the speed and plan of Selfie Master, which made taking and touching up any selfies or Wi-Fi simple.